Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 26th. I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think this looks like a 1. I still believe this is a 2, and I still think we're in a wave 3. I think anything we see on the sort of time frames is just a subdivision of that wave 3, and my target on gold is actually all the way up around the 25.50 area. So keeping that in mind, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first uptrend right here is a 1. I still think this is a big ABC of 2. I think that this is all just a subdivision of a wave 3. I think this is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and I think this is going to keep on trending up for a wave 3 of wave 3. So keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think that this big pattern that we have right here is actually pretty clear in the long run because I think it's 3 waves down W, 3 waves up X, and I think we have 3 waves down for the wave Y, and the wave B of wave Y is a double zigzag, which is why it looks a little confusing. But it definitely is a very recognizable pattern. We definitely got a nice turn right at the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave W projected out the top of wave X, which is right where a wave Y should actually turn. So I do believe there's a pretty good chance that this correction is over, and there's a pretty good chance that we are now trending up in a wave 3 of wave 3. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I am definitely looking for longs, at least until we get some sort of a significant break of structure to the downside. As you can see, the market is definitely trending up, and I think based on the higher time frames, the roadmap time frames, that we definitely need to continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks. So going right down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up. I mean, it definitely looks like it should go down one more time, doesn't it? I mean, it looks like it should go down to make a proper A, B, and a C, maybe bounce off a Fibonacci level before it goes up. So that is a pretty likely possibility. But especially with the fact that we are trending up on the higher time frames, sometimes what we think is a wave B actually will just be the continuation of the uptrend. So we definitely need to be aware that it could just keep on trending up from here. I personally, even if it does turn down, would probably ignore the short, and I would personally patiently be waiting for a proper ABC correction to go long, or I would be waiting for another pullback on even a shorter time frame than this to try to catch the continuation of this uptrend. Either way, until the higher time frames like the daily time frame and up give me some sort of a reason to think that this is not in an uptrend, I personally am definitely going to continue to go long at the end of 3 way pullbacks. 1, 2, 3 waves down and positive up, go long. 1, 2, 3 waves down and positive up, go long. 1, 2, 3 waves down and positive up, long. 1, 2, 3 waves down and positive up, long. 1, 2, 3 waves down and positive up, long. So I will definitely continue to look for those 3 way pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend on around the 1 to 2 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.